Hi, let me give you a quick overview of leadscrapperpro. So when you land on the website, you'll see this kind of page where you can see what exactly we do, and then this is the feature section where you can see, like, you can extract the data from the Google Map. Then it also enriches the data. It also finds the email for you, and you can export the data either in the CSV format, Excel format, or we also have the integration with Google Sheet. Okay, so let me show you the pricing also. These are the pricing models that we have. Like, for free you can scrape 200 leads. With $29 plan you can scrape 500 leads. With $79 plan you can scrape 25,000 leads, and so on. Now let's get started. So let me sign in because I already have an account. So once I click on sign in, it will take me to the dashboard where we'll start scraping the pages. So let's give it some time to load. Okay, once you're in, you'll see this kind of dashboard, and so as you can see that you can directly scrape something. For example, if I just say dentist, and if I say uh, Chicago, and if I say start scraping, then it will start scraping the dentist in Chicago. And as you can see that the max result is 20 right now. You can scrape 100 result in a single go. And then you can also customize this. Like, if you let's say if you don't want to scrape the address of the website, you can just uncheck them. So like in our cases, you can see that all of them is checked in, so it will start scraping all of them. So the way it works is, first it scrapes the data, and after the scraping is done, it will enrich the data. So let's say in this case it will find 20 results for us, and then it will find the email for you. I'll pause the video and I'll start once this is done. Okay, so as you can see that the leads are almost scraped. Like, we found 20 leads. Now it's trying to find the emails for them. It does not find all the emails. Like, if the email is not listed on the website, so it basically goes and visits the websites and finds the email. So let's see how many emails it can find out of 20. So there you go, we found 14 emails, and then you can click on view results to see the result. Like, these are the things that is scraped, and these are the emails. Like, if you want to see the one with emails, you can click on this filter. It will only show you the one with email. If you click on no email, it will show you the one with no email. I also added this functionality where you can just go and shortlist the leads, like hot leads, follow up, not interested, and you can add them into different categories, so that later if you want to see those leads, you can easily do that. Then for the export options, we have multiple options. Like, we have CSV, we also have Excel support, or if you want, you can directly import this in the Google Sheet. So like, you just need to connect your Google Sheet once that is done, you just need to click on this button, and it will uh, open that whole script data in a new Google Sheet, so that you can integrate this with any CRM or any tool that you're using, and you can get the data directly there. Then we also have another feature where we have integrated AI in here. So for example, I'll just go click on this generate with AI, and I'll say dentist in Chicago. Let's say I'll try the same query. Okay, and I'll say generate. So it will take some time to generate the query, and then you'll see the magic what it does. So as you can see that it has generated multiple possibilities of the query. Like, it says emergency dentist, cosmetic dentistry specialist, and then for the location also, you will see that Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, all these locations that we might have missed manually. So it will also give you all those locations. Now let's say if you just want this one location, you can just click on this location and this thing, and you will see that okay, it has taken this. But what if you want to scrape all of them together? All you need to do is, like, I'll say select all. So it select all the 8 locations, all the 8 queries, and then I'll say select. It will take all the 10 locations, and you see that 8 queries, 10 location, 80 jobs. Each job we are going to scrape 20 leads. And when I say run batch script, so it will start this job altogether. Like, as you can see that it will start the jobs in a manual fashion, like in a sequential fashion. So it will start scraping this, then it will start scraping other ones. So you can just close the window, or just go anywhere and let it do the job, and then it will scrape everything for you. And once you come back, you'll be able to see everything that it has done. So this is what the tool does. The future enhancement that we are working on is to add API support, so that you can also integrate the same functionality in your code base, where you can directly call the API and get the same functionality. So that's it. Thank you for watching.